So there's one for kids here. Hey guys, there's one for kids here. And remember I told you I was gonna do it, and that's the second video. And let's open it. Oh my! Here's the sand. And then here's the, I don't know what this is, but here's the molds, and here's the instructions, and here's the box. So let's open it up. Can I have scissors?
Where's your safety sensor?
I don't know.
Careful.
Oh. Oh. Okay, started. Oh. Why is it only pink? What is kinetic meaning? I don't know. Oh, it feels really soft. It's not even, when you mess it up, it's just gonna clean.
Look here.
So this is how it looks. And I love the color texture. It feels so soft. Okay, let's open up the molds. I was just checking out that, don't touch. Okay.
Be careful. Come on, give it to me. Hold this.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna hold it, and here's what the sand looks.
Other baby.
Oh, there's some ice creams. There we go. Oh, there's a scooper, an ice cream motor, and I don't know what this is, but 2 cones, a pink one and a blue one. I mean, this is not a cone. 1 tiny spoon and I think a straw. So, how do we? Oh, that's how.
Use the spoon.
Need to use the scooper. Just make ice cream. You know how this works. I know how. Just gonna put some more. Just so. There we go. And then let's put it on our ice cream. Okay, let's just make some room. Just put it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, my ice cream is melting. Okay, let me just melt it. Fail. That's a fail. Let me just put it in the cone also. Say hello to my Lola! Because he wants to talk to me. My Lola. If you don't know what that means, he's my grandfather and she's my grandmother. Let me eat some ice cream. Oh, the spoon is on. Okay. Enough! I don't want this ice cream too big. I'm gonna sip it here. Yummy! So good. Okay. I'm just gonna put my hand in there. Say hello to my Lola is here. I'm just videoing my face.
Oh, you say bye-bye na.
Well, you don't let them show it. Why you on my face? Goodbye guys, subscribe and like. Goodbye and leave a comment what kind of color you like us. This is the color I like. It's not pink, you know.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.